Welcome to our iSpot pilot classes. Today we introduce you about the small screen patching. For RDM edition, use a network cable or fiber to connect the fixtures. The Artnet-RDM Universe must match the fixtures Artnet-RDM Universe. Then reach for fixtures via RDM edition, and the system will automatically match the light library. For DMX connection, manually add the fixture and select the corresponding light library. For patching, click RDM Discover to change the fixtures universe, address code, and channels. Light library management allows editing the current show's light libraries, including modifying information and importing or exporting libraries.